Hi Garden Rebels, a fast, immediate public service announcement. Spray your baskets now. Budworm has been detected. Alert, budworm has been detected. And if you don't know what budworm is, not to worry. Here is a link to the video. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you to catch up. You can catch up. You can do this. It is very devastating and it's fast acting. And so I want to make sure you get that budworm spray on. Remember, early morning or late evening. Very easy, very earth friendly. Also, now is a time to check on the watering as well. Oftentimes early spring we get away with a little bit less water than we think. But make sure that your passion baskets are getting 5 gallons of water, and your Rebel baskets or your 12-inch baskets are getting at least 3 gallons of water. Minimum is get that budworm spray ordered, so when it arrives, you're ready to go. Don't forget the sprayer. Guys, just a friendly reminder, that's the tips and tricks for this week. Always live your passion. Don't forget for a rockin' basket.